This is Brian Putt. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to create a discrete distribution using the SIPmath modeler tools and how to plot cumulative distribution functions and actually compare two different cumulative distribution functions. I have already generated a normal distribution with a mean of 3 and a standard deviation of 3. The spark line is shown here. And here's the input data for the discrete. So I'm going to come over here to the results, go to SIPmath Modeler Tools, Generate Input, Discrete, and I will highlight the values. So here are the three values. And here are the probabilities. Let me move this down here. Probabilities are down here. And the cumulative probabilities I'll put right here. And these will be computed by the SIPmath Modeler Tools. And then I'll say OK. I'll define this as an output with a name of D discrete. I now want to take the product of these two things. Okay? And it's going to be equal to the normal times the discrete. And we'll call that D underscore product. Let's start by generating the cumulative distribution function for this normal curve. So I'm going to come up here to Graphs, and I'll click on Cumulative, and I'll put it right here. Okay. So that's what our normal distribution looks like. I can get rid of this right now. I don't need that anymore. Oh, maybe I will, but that's all right. And now I'd like to get the distribution of the product. I guess I need to first of all define it as an output, and an output name of product, and then I'll get this as a graph of that. Okay. So now that we have these two graphs, we'd like to combine them into one. Very easy to do. What we're going to do is to select this graph, the total graph, Control C, click the normal graph, the whole thing, and hit Control V. And I can add the legends. And now I can compare the normal distribution here in orange with the product distribution shown in the blue. For more information about SIPmath, visit probabilitymanagement.org. There you can download the free SIPmath toolbar. You can view other instructional videos. You can watch some videos on SIPmath on my YouTube channel as well to gain more information around SIPmath. You can contact me through LinkedIn or at brian@theputts.com. Thank you for watching.